Picture this, you want a clear stock read, but your screen is a mess of Yahoo quotes, a PE calculator tab, and a notes file that never finishes. You type a ticker, then you still have to hunt fundamentals, analyst ratings, and a fair comparison by hand. Today I will walk you through InvestForge AI, my OpenAI investment analyst agent built with Agno and Yahoo Finance Tools. It turns a natural language question into live prices, fundamentals, analyst views, and markdown comparison tables. This is not a trading bot that promises profits. It is a self-hosted research desk you can run, read, and distrust on purpose. Manual research is slow, and a plain chat model often invents soft numbers with no live code behind them. You ask about NVDA and you might get a confident paragraph with no current price, no PE, and no analyst table. Investment research really has four Ws. Fetch live market data, analyze fundamentals, compare tickers side by side, then advise with risk context. InvestForge keeps those jobs inside one sharp specialist agent with YFinanceTools doing the fetching and GPT-4o doing the reasoning. Meet the fetch step. YFinanceTools pull current and historical prices, so the answer is anchored to market data, not memory. Meet the analyze step. The agent evaluates fundamentals like PE, earnings per share, market cap, and revenue style metrics. Meet the compare step. When you name 2 or 3 tickers, it builds side by side markdown tables you can scan in one glance. Meet the advice step. It surfaces actionable insights, then reminds you this is research, not a buy order from the sky. On the screen, Agent OS gives you a chat interface, typically at localhost port 7777. Before we open to keep this mental map, question in, tools fetch, model reasons, markdown tables out, risk disclaimer stays visible. Let me plant one concrete brief we will reuse. Imagine you ask, what is the current price and PE ratio of NVDA? Or compare Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet on fundamentals and analyst ratings. Or analyze Tesla price trend over the last 6 months. Then ask which chip names look strongest on buy ratings this week. First, look at the real code layout from the GitHub repo so nothing feels mysterious later. You will see app.py. That file boots Agent OS, pyproject.toml, readme, and an InvestForge package folder. Config. Py for defaults agent, py for the analyst factory, and a tiny init file that marks the folder as a Python package. Python cache and NV secrets, so API keys never get committed by accident. Requirements. Trust with me in Visual Studio Code. We will read every dependency line. The first line is Agno version 2.2.10 or newer. That framework gives you agent, OpenAI, chat wrappers, YFinanceTools, and Agent OS. The second line is OpenAI version 1 or newer. That is the official client your GPT-4o calls travel through. The third line is YFinance version 0.2 or newer. Without this package, YFinanceTools cannot pull live market data. 3 lines. That is the whole install surface for InvestForge. At pyproject.toml, it names the project InvestForge AI version 1.0.0. It rePython 3.10 or newer, sets the MIT license, and points homepage and repository to the GitHub URL. Author metadata list Sharad Khare and hello at Sharad Khare in matching the readme credit. Keywords tag A, investment analyst, stock research, YFinance, OpenAI, Agno, Agent OS, stock comparison, and fundamentals analysis. Open InvestForge/config. Py, the small settings file. The first line sets app.py to InvestForge AI. That string becomes the agent name you will see in Agent OS. ORCT and AUHORGHUB are project credits. They document who built and maintains this desk. In and AUHORGHUB points to GitHub. com/sharedcat equals git4. That is the brain the investment analyst will call for every research turn. Enter any file, big clarity. Defaults live here so agent py stays readable. Now open InvestForge/agent py. This is where the analyst is born and we will read it line by line from Agno. Agent, that class is one specialist with a role, a model and tools. From Agno, models, OpenAI. That wraps the GPT-4o chat model. YFinanceTools from Agno tools, YFinance. That toolkit talks to Yahoo Finance style market data. PPNAM and OpenAI MoIDL from our config module, so names and model I'd stay in one place. AKL description. It is a short paragraph that says you are an investment analyst researching prices, recommendations, and fundamentals. That description steers the agent personality before any user question arrives. ENSTUFT, it is a Python list of coaching lines the model must follow on every turn. The first instruction says format your response using markdown and use tables to display data where possible. That nudge is why answers look like research notes instead of a wall of prose. The second instruction says when comparing stocks, provide detailed analysis including price trends, fundamentals, and analyst recommendations. So a compare prompt is not allowed to shrug with three soft sentences. The third instruction says always provide actionable insights for investors. Actionable here means clear takeaways, not a buy button. Stay with me on that distinction. The fourth instruction says include risk disclaimers when giving investment related guidance. That line is your safety rail. The agent should warn you before anyone mistakes research for advice. Now the factory function created investment agent, it returns an agent instance. Name, so agent OS labels a chat partner InvestForge AI, a chat with set to OpenAI module. That is GPT-4o from config. Tools equals a list with YFinanceTools, one toolkit focused on market data. We pass YFinanceTools with empty parentheses, so the agent gets the default finance tool set from Agno. ESCarapTA1, that is the analyst role we wrote above. ENSTORFITINS, those four coaching lines stay attached on every run. Markdown equals true, so headings, lists, and tables render cleanly in the agent OS chat UI. That is the whole agent, one specialist, one toolkit, clear instructions, markdown on. OPI. This is the agent OS entry point, short and intentional. The module docstring says InvestForge AI agentos entry point by Sharad Khare. First we import agentos from Agno, OS. That is the web app shell for chatting with agents. Then we import create investment agent from InvestForge. Agent. Agent equals created investment agent that builds the analyst we just studied. Agentos equals agentos with agents set to a list containing that one agent. Is agents, not teams. InvestForge is a single agent desk, not a multi-agent squad. Get app. That exposes the FastAppify style application object. Agentos. Serve runs app as app:app with reload true. Reload true means code edits can refresh while you are developing locally. That is the whole runtime path config names the model. Agent binds tools. App serves the chat. Let me view a concrete research walk. Imagine you type what is the current price and PE ratio of NVDA. The agent should call YFinanceTools for the quote and fundamentals, then answer in markdown with a table when numbers help. Here is a second example I like for learning compare Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet on fundamentals and analyst ratings. Now 3 tickers matter, so expect a side-by-side table, then a short inside paragraph with a risk note. Amount desk. Compare AMD and Intel as a chip rivalry brief, price trend, margin story, and analyst consensus. That prompt teaches viewers how a rivalry question still needs live data, not fan opinions. Fourth example, analyze Tesla stock price trend over the last 6 months, then list what changed in the narrative without inventing earnings. Fifth example, ask which of Meta, Amazon, and Netflix looks strongest on analyst buy ratings right now and demand a rating table. Sixth example for dividend style thinking. Pull Coca-Cola fundamentals and say what the numbers show about stability while keeping the disclaimer loud. Why this pattern beats a lonely chat box is simple. Tools fetch facts, instructions force tables, and the disclaimer keeps ego in check. Markdown tables make prices and ratings scannable. Actionable insights give you a next question to ask, not a fantasy certainty. Who is InvestForge for? Retail investors researching stocks before they buy anything. Developers learning Agno agent plus tool patterns with a real finance example. Finance students practicing equity analysis workflows without juggling 10 browser tabs. And anyone who wants a self-hosted AI stock research assistant on their own machine. To run it yourself, clone GitHub. com/sharedcare/investforge AI. Change into the folder, then install dependencies from requirements. Text with pip. Key as OpenAI API key in the environment. That is the only required key. Run Python app. Py and open the agent OS URL shown in the terminal. Prompt first. Price plus PE for one ticker. Read the table. Then ask a comparison follow-up. Remember the disclaimer out loud with me. InvestForge provides research for information only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before any investment decision. Agents can be wrong, late, or incomplete. One analyst finance tools, GPT-4o reasoning, markdown tables, chat in Agent OS. When your next ticker question wants a forged report instead of a rumor tab, light InvestForge and let the hammer fall on the facts.